Laimokong Army Camp Tagi Laisram Kamal Babu, Matam Fangdabana Yauna, Manipur Irang Sugi Matang-Da, Hojik Sathariba, Parliament ki ningtham meepham da, Matam Fangdabana Pukhatpa Ngamdana Leiri haina, Manipur Lok Sabha MP Dr Bimol Akoijam pendaba phongdorakli. PTI dangarang wangang aduna MP Dr Bimol Akoijam phongdokibada, Army Camp Tagi Laisram Kamal Babu na Matam Fangdabana haibasi yamna singnaningai oi. Isu asi yauna thokliba irang asigi matangda hojik sathariba parliament ki ningtham meepham da pukhatnaba mapung fana sem saduna lei adubu Matam Fangdabana pukhatpa ngamkhide adumainamak khudong saba hek phangmaga state asigi isu asi soidana pukhatkani haiki Nakalamoromda Laisram Kamal Babu mapam khangdana mangkhibadagi hojik fawba thiba phangdana leiriba asi sayolama henjilaklabanina miyamna mipaiba poklei Maramaduna Union Defense Minister Rajnath Singh Masung Indian Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedina Hakthengna yengsinduna thabak paikhatpiyo hainasu MP na appeal tauki.
This is a very strange, that persons disappear from the army cantonment or army garrison. Many people suspect that he might have been kidnapped by the Kukis because seemingly, reportedly, there is a road connecting the Kuki-dominated areas of Churachandpur district and the Kangpokpi district, which passes through these army camp. So many people started saying that he must have been kidnapped by this. But whatever it is, there is no information. One of the rare and strange things that have happened, that a civilian got disappeared within the army campus. So I was trying to raise this issue in the parliament, but I didn't get the opportunity to that. And anytime when I get it in the coming days, I will be raising this issue. But it has been a week now. I'm pretty worried.